Aloha everyone, welcome back to my channel, Stuff Like Lists. My name is Alyssa and I live on the island of Oahu in Hawaii. And today we'll be cash stuffing a portion of my paycheck of October. Hi everyone, thanks for hopping on my channel today. So today we'll be cash stuffing a portion of my paycheck of October, and I say paycheck because I didn't have a chance to cash stuff my first paycheck of October, so we're just gonna go with the last paycheck that I had, and this will be a portion of it. So today we'll be cash stuffing a total of $464. I have the $4 in my leftover for my grocery envelope, so in here will be $460, and they're all in 20s. So let's go ahead and count. We have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60. So 460. And first off, we're gonna cash stuff my short-term binder, and I have my little guide here on the side, and it gives all the breakdown for each category that I'm gonna stuff today. Okay, so first off is bills. Bills will be getting $200. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82. So that's $200. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82. So bills has altogether 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, and 420. Okay, golf will not be getting anything this time. Beauty will be getting $20. So beauty has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40. Is that correct? 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40. So 140 for beauty. Next is Aloha Kekahi. Won't be getting anything this time. And then travel expenses will be getting 40. So I thought I'll put back the travel expenses because I feel like next year I will probably be traveling. So I might as well start saving up a little bit for that. So we'll have $40 for travel expenses. Okay, and then next is emergency, and this is for my long-term binder. So emergency will be getting a usual $20. Let me see if I can get a better looking 20. There you go. So all together, I need something heavy to put on this because it keeps folding up. Let's see, what can I use? This work? I have a candle. Just put that on the side. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 253, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40. So 640 for emergency. Next is car expenses. Car expenses will not be getting anything. Future will not be getting anything, but I'm gonna take out this future envelope soon, and I'll be putting it towards my new wedding binder, so look forward to that. Gifts will not be getting anything. Holidays will be getting $40. Let's see, 20. I have a lot of not so good looking 20s here. So holidays will be getting $40. So altogether we have 152, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60. So $360 for holidays. Next is parents. Parents will be getting $20. Okay. So altogether, parents has I'm going to take out the 50 for now. 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60. So 460 and 50 makes it to 510. So 510 for parents. Next is Lucy, Dash, and Ollie, and they will not be getting anything this time. Okay, so that does it for my long-term binder. Next is my on-the-go envelopes, and I will only be cash stuffing groceries. So I do have leftover $4, so I will just put this on the side. And groceries will be getting 20, 40, 60. Okay. So $60 for groceries. And I will not be cash stuffing, eating out, and household. And then I have loose change here. Okay. Next, we have my 100 envelope challenge. So I have $60 in 20s and I have 4. So we will be cash stuffing of $4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And here's 4. So I will go ahead and put a sticker on number 4. There you go. And then we will be cash stuffing number 60. And here's number 60 right here. So 20, 40, 60. Here we go. And we'll put a sticker at number 60. There we go. Perfect. Okay guys, so that's it for my cash stuffing portion, and in the next video I am going to cash stuff my wedding binder. So if you're following me on Instagram, you know that I've made a new binder. So this is a A5 binder, so it's a lot bigger than the A6, but this is wedding binder, and I've got a little charm on here, and then I just have like wedding, and then I have 10 categories. So I have venue and catering, photography, entertainment, flowers, decorations, dress/outfits, transportation, invitations, favors, and cake. So I thought these would be the categories that I will need to save up for. And like I said, I'm going to use my future envelope and put that towards this. So that would be my next cash stuffing video. But just wanted to give you a little preview and what to look forward to. So I hope you're all doing well. Have a great rest of your weekend or week, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!